Hi there, students. To take something back, to take back. I think we use this in various different ways. Firstly, if you buy something and you're not very happy with it, then maybe you take it back to the shop where you bought it. Yeah? Or you borrow a book from a library and you take it back. So to return to the place where something came from, yeah, because you finished with it, because maybe it's unsuitable. Yeah, so here's your present, and I've got the receipt if you want to take it back and swap it for something else. Okay, if you take something back, you say something and then you take it back. You withdraw it, you unsay it. So I would like to withdraw my statement. No, you're not stupid. I take it all back. Yeah, so to take back a statement, I'm trying to unsay what I've said. It doesn't always work. It looks that game looks like a lot of fun. No, I take it back because I think you could easily get hurt. To take back, to make you remember something in the past. This song takes me back to when I was a kid. Yeah, it makes me remember. It evokes memories of this. Being in this place takes me back to my childhood. Yeah, it causes me to remember this place in the past. Okay, to continue with a relationship, perhaps. So she told him to go away and that she never wanted to talk to him again, but she's taken him back. Yeah, she's accepted him again. She's accepted him back. Okay, so to take back, to take possession of something you had bought or lost possession of. Yeah, I went to my friend's house to take back the books that I had lent them. To return something that you bought and get a refund. Yeah, I need to take this toaster back. It doesn't work. Yeah, as long as you take this back within 14 days, you can have your money back. To retract what you've said, to recant, to change your mind. Okay, so yeah, what I said was not fair, and I would like to take it back because what I said isn't fair. To take somebody back mentally, emotionally to a time in the past, that takes me back to my childhood. Yeah. And then to take somebody back into your life, to resume a romantic relationship. She caught him cheating, yeah, but she still took him back. Yeah, I don't really think she should have done that, but well, okay, so this has the idea of recuperating something, taking something back, getting it back, reclaiming possession, reminding you of your childhood, retracting a statement, returning something unsatisfactory to a shop. Okay, so let's look at some formalities. I want to take back control of my life. Take back. I think I'm going to give it 5 in formality. Use anywhere. She took him back after discovering that he'd been unfaithful. 4.5 in formality. This takes me back to my youth. 5 in formality. I want you to take back what you've said. It's not fair. 5 in formality. To withdraw. take the goods back and ask them for a refund. 5, informality. Okay, so a nice easy one to use. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To take back.